This is a work of fiction. Names, characters, places, and incidents either are products of the author's imagination or used fictitiously. Any resemblance to actual events or locales or persons living or dead is entirely coincidental.
There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people to see if we could become something more. So when they needed us, we could fight the battles.
Pavement preservation is the only way
that they never could.
Forget the Force. Use pavement preservation.
To save our roadway network.
The physics make the infinity binder impossible. It can't be done. We have to find a way. But the data is promising. The laws of physics won't bend for us.
We are public works. We're doing what has to be done to stave off something worse. It's called worst first. If we don't stop it now, we lose.
You're not gonna get away with this, Corruptus! Okay, let's get serious. We need more tools in the toolbox if we're gonna have a shot of getting out of this.
I agree. What's the plan?
We need to prioritize.
Growing up, my pops always used to say, all you have a hammer, everything looks like a nail.
Ready to go.
Go.
Going.
Worst first, you are the scourge of the public works world.
Chris Evers means nothing. Tell him why.
Pavement preservation is the only mathematically sound way to reach pavement nirvana.